Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to keep table rows from splitting across pages in Google Docs. If you've ever found yourself frustrated with table rows that inconveniently split between pages, disrupting the flow and neatness of your document, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle this common issue head-on, ensuring your tables remain perfectly organized and easy to read. Let's dive right into the process with two simple and effective methods. These techniques will help keep your table rows together, preventing them from awkwardly breaking across pages, and keeping your document looking professional. So, without further ado, let's jump into the first method, using the toolbar. To get started, you'll want to select the table within your Google Docs document. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor over the entire table until everything is highlighted. This step is crucial because it ensures that all rows are included in the changes we are about to make. Once your table is highlighted, it's time to locate the table options. You'll find these options in the toolbar. Look for a section labeled Table Options. If it's not immediately visible, don't worry. Sometimes these options are tucked away under a small icon that looks like 3 vertical dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. By clicking on this icon, you'll be able to access the Table Options button. Once you've clicked this, a dialog box will appear, providing you with various settings for your table. Here, we want to focus on the row properties. Look for a category labeled Row, which is usually accompanied by a small arrow. Clicking on this arrow will expand the row settings. It's here that we can solve our problem. In the expanded row settings, you'll find a checkbox labeled Allow Row to Overflow Across Pages. By default, this box might be checked, allowing your rows to spill over onto the next page. To keep everything neat and tidy, simply uncheck this box. This action ensures that all your table rows will remain confined within the boundaries of the current page, keeping your document organized. Once you've made this change, you can close the Table Properties dialog box by clicking the X in the corner. And just like that, your table is set to keep rows together, maintaining the seamless flow of your document. Now, let's move on to our second method, which involves using the Format menu. This alternative approach is just as effective and might suit some users better. Begin by selecting your table again, making sure the entire table is highlighted just like before. Instead of the toolbar, this time navigate to the Format option, located in the top menu bar of your Google Docs editor. Click on Format, then hover your cursor over the Table option in the drop-down menu. You'll see Table Properties appear. Click on it to proceed. This action will once again open the Table Properties dialog box, taking you to the familiar row settings. Just as we did with the first method, locate the Row category. Click the arrow to expand the settings and uncheck the Allow Row to Overflow Across Pages checkbox. With this checkbox unchecked, your table rows will stay neatly together on the same page, just as we intended. Now you have learned two practical methods to keep your table rows from splitting across pages in Google Docs. Feel free to choose whichever method fits best with your workflow. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily learn how to keep table rows from splitting across pages in Google Docs. If you want more videos like how to keep table rows from splitting across pages in Google Docs, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online. Thank you for watching, and happy document editing with PMN Online.